welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 7th to the 11th of April 2025 on Monday. Sondo insists on raising her baby in Mnyameni. Sakhile will cooperate if test prove it's his. Petunia is upset as Sondo started to bleed on Tuesday. Caesar takes Pendulo hostage and flees with him from the memorial. Sakhile blames Thandiswa and tension between them rises on Wednesday. Sakhile suggests Sondo move in while pregnant and Petunia confront him about secrets. He decides to confide in Phakathi about what he knows regarding Caesar and Thandiswa on Thursday. Caesar's malevolent plan inch closer to their gruesome conclusion as he prepares to sacrifice Thandiswa in a dark rituals on Friday. Caesar starts the ritual and explains that he wants to make Thandiswa suffer first before he kills her. He plunges a dagger into her heart. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.